You're not the guy here. Like you, okay, put your arm up. Hey everybody, thanks for coming out. No, today is celebration day.
Okay, wait. Let's introduce ourselves first. Okay, so I'm Mabel, and this good-looking man beside me is, what's your name again?
Justin. This is nervous, and I'm not.
No, it was just so good last night. I forgot your name.
That's right.
So, Jamie and Mabeli, it's because we made up name for
our bellies.
Our bellies.
Because I like to eat and she likes to cook, so it's Mabel became Mabeli.
I came up with that.
And Justin became Jummy because
Tummy. Yeah.
Tummy and belly.
And Mabeli. So, there.
Stop touching your hair. Well,
Okay.
today is celebration day, so because multiple things actually. So I'm getting a promotion kinda to a different spot. So I got a new job.
New
They
job?
accepted our offer on
Job? Like job?
Yeah.
Or
No,
job?
Job, J-O-B.
Oh.
It's like a job. I don't know if it's a soft J.
Okay, it's not a word of the day yet. Okay.
No, not the word of the day. That's later. Today is date day. So yeah, 3 things. I got a new job. They accepted an offer on a house that we put on, and then she got a job. First job in the United States. Yeah, USA Jobs is out there for, it's not just military, right? If you're close to a military base, you can apply through military jobs, or sorry, USA Jobs.
It took 2 months for my application to get a reply.
Yeah, well, it took 2 weeks.
To get a response.
Yeah, it took 2 weeks for the initial application for the job, and then February got the notification saying you're selected, and then it took a month. It took all 4 weeks, the entire month of February, just waiting for them to process the initial paperwork. So actually, new green card holders. One thing to note: you don't have to be in the States for 3 years to start working.
I wanted to say something about that, but I'll let you talk.
One of the HR department here, one thing that we heard, turns out it's not true, but that new arrivals, green card holders on immigrant visas, we were told that they had to wait 3 years before they start working. However, when we came in through the gate at Seattle to enter the States for the first time, even in immigrations there says when they stamp the visa inside the passport, that right there is legal for work. So even with that, before the green card even comes in, which takes about 2 months, for us it was pretty quick, even during COVID times.
And it was after a month when I got my SSN?
Yeah, the Social Security number was quick. One big difference between a K1 visa and a K3 visa. So we did the K3 visa process because we were already married.
We will talk about that in the next.
That's a whole different video. But we have a lot to share. We had a long road. I've been 5-year LDR.
Don't say LDR relationship, okay? Because the R.
R stands for relationships. We know this. But then fought USCIS for over a year. So long process. Anyways, today's date night. We're going to go to Filipina-American.
Okay, I'm hungry now. So, looks like all the restaurants, most of the restaurants are busy because it's weekend.
I guess. I'm not sure. Everything is reservation only and it's packed out for the next 3 hours. Every restaurant that even sounds halfway decent. So we're going to attempt to get walk-in seating at the bar. That's where I want to sit anyways.
We'll check Pump House. The Pump House?
Pump House.
That's the place.
Pump House.
Pump House. Let's see what's in there. This is cool.
while we're doing this.
It's easier to eat with the hand. And white wine. What's the name? Sauvignon Blanc.
And
Okay. Dinner's done. And
so far, probably the best meal we've had in Alaska. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again. Peace.
thanks for watching.